Should I use 2 Indomie or 3?
2, Yvonne.
Mom, should I put all the spice inside?
Yes, Yvonne.
Mom, the water is not boiling. What am I going to do?
Oh my goodness. You didn't even turn on the gas cooker.
Earlier that day,
Yeah, babe. How are you feeling today?
Getting better.
Getting better. Wow. This running nose, like it's really dealing with you seriously, man.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. I just wanna. You need to eat something, right?
Yeah, I need to eat something so I can take
The medications. Okay. I'm gonna make you a special meal today. You know I'm so caring. You know. Now that you're down, don't worry. Me, I'm up. So I'm gonna make something very delicacy for you today to eat, and I'm gonna surprise you. Okay? You just stay put, relax. It's weekend. You know. Just make good food for us to eat. Then you get better after you take the medication. Okay?
No, that's so
All right, you just relax. Let me close the door so no noise, okay? In case we don't make noise, then you just sleep and relax yourself, okay?
Okay,
All right,
darling.
try and sleep a bit, okay? I'm good. I'm heading up to the kitchen so I can prepare something nice for you, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, I love you. Just relax, okay? I'll close the door.
It's okay.
Yo, babe. Babe, please, I'm kind of confused here. Before you go to bed, right? I have 2 pots here. I have the big one and I have like the medium one. So I don't know, which pot do you think would be okay to cook the food for you?
I don't know, anyone. Depends on what you want to cook. I don't know if you want to make so much food.
Yeah, like for you
Okay.
and maybe the kids can also have some a bit.
This one
So
is
this one is better, right?
Yeah.
I thought so too. So just relax, okay? I'm gonna start making something good for you now, okay?
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yo, babe. Look at this fish. Just quick question, please. Should I cut it into half,
what are you
or
doing?
maybe I just use the whole fish? For you, what do you think? What do you think about it?
All of it.
I should all of it. Alright, I won't disturb you. You need to sleep, okay? I'll be back soon. Yeah.
Don't come back.
No, I'm not gonna come back. I'll be back to tell you that the food is done, okay?
Okay.
Good. Yo, babe. I said I'm gonna come back when the food is done, but just a quick one, right? You see, in this pack, there are 6 tomatoes here, and I'm planning to make like a stew for you, like a sauce, you know? So I'm just thinking, since it's 6 in here, I think it's better maybe like I use like 3 tomatoes or just use 2. What do you think? Would be enough for the soup?
Anyone. 2, 3, 6, whatever.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Right?
Please.
It's 6, so maybe I use 3. Slice it a bit, right?
But you said you want to make sauce, right?
I want to surprise you, but okay, I know what to do. Sorry, just you can just go to bed, okay? Just
Oh, you disturbing me.
I won't disturb you again. Don't worry. Yo, babe.
Oh, not again.
Just the last one. You know what? I'm thinking to fry some egg in the stew. What do you think? Do maybe cut some fry it, or maybe just boil the egg on the stew? Should I fry it in the stew, right? What do you think?
Boil it.
I should boil it.
How will you fry egg inside the stew?
Yeah, but I thought maybe it's gonna be like
No, just boil it.
I should just boil it in the stew.
Yes.
Oh, should I?
Not all of it.
Maybe I could just take like 2 or 3.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Should I put it inside the stew when it's done, or maybe should I boil it separate?
Boil boil it
I
separate.
should boil it separate. Thank you. Just go to bed, man. Just go to bed. I'll wake you up when it's done now, okay?
Oh, this man is something else.
Yo, babe.
I think I just have to sit down there. This is
Just that I'm trying to make this thing very good so that the sauce will be so delicious and you're gonna jump up of the bed.
But you just said stew and sauce.
Yeah,
How does that correlate?
yeah, because when I make it, like the stew, when you start eating it, oh man, don't worry. Now, this is curry and this is some Maggi. So what do you think? Should I put the both together or maybe I just use just the Maggi? What do you think?
Both.
I should put both together. Okay, the boats. Okay, the boats. Okay. Yo, babe.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I just have to make it myself. Don't worry. Don't bother helping me anymore.
This was
No.
This was just the last
Don't worry,
one
the sleep is gone. Don't
that I
bother.
wanted to show you so that
Don't bother. Don't bother.
okay.
Damn it.
But I could have cooked this thing so nice for you.
Oh my goodness. Don't bother.
Baby, don't worry.
Don't bother.
I'm gonna make this thing so nice.
No.
You don't need to, you. Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
The
Okay.
next day,
Hey, Mom.
Hi, God. How are you?
Good. You look pretty tired today.
Yeah, I still have runny nose disturbing me. Are you good?
Yeah. Since you look pretty tired, I guess I can help you. I want to nice the kids.
Oh, that would be lovely.
I'm planning to make indomie. Is that okay?
Yeah, that would be really nice. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm gonna make cake.
Okay.
Mom, should you
Oh my God.
This one is just. We can use this.
Okay. Mom, how much water should I cut? Full or half?
Half just at the bottom.
Okay.
Not so much. Thank you.
Okay. Mom, should I use 2 indomie or 3?
2, Yvonne.
Okay. Mom, should I put all the spice inside?
Yes, Yvonne.
Okay. Mom, I think I see you when you're making indomie salt as pepper.
Not indomie. I don't put salt. There's ingredients on the sauce of the indomie already. Don't put any of these.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Mom,
Oh, not again.
I see you use some
Onion.
onion for your cooking.
Don't bother. Don't put it. Don't put it. We don't put onion in indomie. Don't bother.
Okay. Mom, the water is not boiling. What am I going to do?
Oh my goodness. You didn't even turn on the gas cooker. So what have you been doing since? Asking me one question or the other. Oh my God, don't bother. I'm going to do it myself. Oh my goodness. Oof.